Quality and Qualifications Ireland is the state agency responsible for promoting the quality, integrity and reputation of Ireland's further and higher education system. Our work supports public confidence in education and training. It builds trust in Irish qualifications through the National Framework of Qualifications. And it drives a culture of continuous improvement by education and training providers. We work in partnership with the sector to achieve a vision of Ireland that offers extensive, high-quality education and training opportunities. Opportunities that enable learners to fulfil their potential by achieving qualifications that are recognised and valued nationally and internationally.
In 2023, QQI will launch a new initiative which will safeguard the experience of international learners arriving in Ireland. A new international education mark awarded to higher education and English language education providers will signal to a learner that their course has met national standards. To achieve the IEM, education providers must adhere to robust criteria set by QQI. They will have to demonstrate that they have robust quality assurance procedures and can provide high-quality education and training programs. This will ensure that only reputable providers who are genuinely committed to meeting the needs of their learners will receive state recognition of their services. This will provide greater confidence to international students coming to study in Ireland. Confidence that they will receive a quality learning experience from the enrolment to the completion of their programs, and confidence that they will be protected should their course be unexpectedly withdrawn or the provider cease training. By implementing this scheme, we will strengthen Ireland's reputation as a trusted and preferred destination for international learners.
Developments in technology, the sudden move to online teaching and learning during COVID-19, and the emergence of generative artificial intelligence. These have all contributed to the increasing occurrence and sophistication of academic cheating. The Global Academic Integrity Network is a consortium of education, quality and integrity agencies worldwide who have joined forces to fight the rise of commercial academic cheating services. Founded by QQI and TEXA, the network aims to tackle commercial cheating operations, protecting students, qualifications and the integrity of national education systems. Through the network, we bring together partners from every continent to share experience and resources. These can help other jurisdictions develop legislation, regulatory approaches and frameworks to target organisations that advertise and facilitate cheating services. If you are interested in protecting your learners and the integrity of your national education systems, please visit globalacademicintegrity.network to find out more.
Engagement with our European counterparts through ENQA is very important to QQI as it allows us to exchange ideas, developments and experiences. We look forward to sharing news about some of QQI's emerging international initiatives and to continuing these collaborative conversations with you in Dublin in October 2023 at the ENQA General Assembly.